Here we are going to see how to create tuple and how to do some basic operation in tuple. Okay, tuple in Python is a collection of objects that we cannot modify. Okay, if you create a variable something like a comma separated value like this, it is considered as a tuple. Okay, so x is a tuple, so if you provide a values like this, it is a tuple. Okay, generally we create tuple in a parenthesis like this. If you provide object in a parenthesis, that is considered as a tuple as well. Okay, so generally we use this particular notation to represent tuple. Okay, a tuple can contain different type of objects. Here in this particular tuple we have integer object and string objects. Okay, we can create a tuple using tuple function. Okay, to this particular function we can provide another tuple or a list like this, or a set. Okay, we can provide another tuple of values like this, or we can provide a set. We can provide a set like this. Okay, or we can provide a, if you have a list or set, we can convert that to tuple using tuple function. Okay, so if you have a tuple, we can get how many elements in a tuple using len function. So here we have a tuple. From this particular tuple we can access the element based on index. Tuple is ordered, that is why we can access based on the index. Index is starting from 0. Okay, tuple is same as list, but it can't be modified. Okay, from a tuple we can slice the value like this. Okay, only one thing is that you cannot modify a tuple. You cannot insert a new element, you cannot delete an element, you cannot append element. Okay, once you create a tuple, you cannot modify it, so it is an immutable object. So in a tuple we cannot do any functions that modify the tuple like we do in list. I hope you got some idea about how to create tuple and what can be done and what cannot be done with tuple. Okay, thanks for watching this.